In the summer, after my second year at campus, I thought my life would be like everyone else's. Finish school, find a job, and hope for the best. But one book changed the questions I was asking myself. I picked up How to Become a Millionaire. It didn't hand me a fortune or a secret formula. It planted an idea. What if success is something you learn, not something you're born into? That question stayed with me. As I kept searching for ways to build a different future, I discovered the world of forex trading. Charts, currencies, markets, and the possibility of earning through knowledge and discipline fascinated me. At first, I understood almost nothing. Every chart looked like chaos, and every new concept felt impossible. But I made a decision. I would learn, not to become rich overnight, not to sell fake dreams, but to see how far consistency, patience, and education could take me. This channel is my digital journal. Every lesson, every mistake, every breakthrough, every setback, part of the story. I'm not here to show you a perfect life. I'm here to document the journey of a student who decided to chase financial knowledge and build a better future. One trade, one book, and one day at a time. This is only the beginning.